Welcome to Interpreting Mao, the podcast where we decode the words and images of Norbert Mao. His tweets are more than short reflections, they are visual lessons in leadership, resilience, ethics, and humor. In this episode, we walk through 4 powerful posts, each combining a caption with a symbolic picture that speaks volumes about politics and life. The first image presents a puzzle, a child facing a pile of rice with only 2 containers marked 13 kilograms and 5 kilograms, and held at commands, "Don't just share, figure it out." Mao's caption insists he doesn't just think outside the box, he removes the box altogether. The containers symbolize limited resources, the rice pile represents abundance, and the child's challenge mirrors citizens navigating constraints. The elder's command reflects leadership urging innovation. Mao's metaphor is radical problem solving. Don't just shuffle within limits, redefine them. In governance, this means building new systems when old ones failed. The second picture shows 2 seeds beneath rocks. One seed struggles blocked by the weight above, while the other bends, grows around the obstacle, and sprouts leaves. Mao's caption reads, "Once in a while you have to step forward and do something that you know only you can do." The rocks represent systemic barriers like corruption or bureaucracy. The sprouting seed embodies resilience and adaptive leadership. The contrast between struggle and success shows that progress requires persistence and creativity. Mao frames leadership as finding pathways where others see dead ends, reminding us that growth often comes from persistence in the face of obstacles. Here, Mao appears in a suit, arms crossed, referencing his 2019 article on corruption. His words, "Warm again is treating the cancer of corruption with Vaseline." The image conveys authority and moral seriousness. The metaphor is vivid. Corruption is deadly and superficial remedies won't care it. His question, "Who watches the watchdog?" highlights accountability gaps in parliament. This episode explores ethics as the backbone of governance, asking whether those tasked with oversight themselves need oversight. It's a call for deeper reform, urging leaders to confront corruption with genuine solutions rather than cosmetic fixes. The final image is an event poster for a swearing-in dinner featuring Anita as chief guest alongside Mao. Ugandan flags and formal portraits symbolize ceremony and legitimacy, yet Mao's tweet jokes, "I love the energy and creativity of the trolls, but I'm sorry I haven't thought of a chief guest." Humor collides with formality here. The clash between online banter and official events reflects modern political theater, where satire and trolling intersect with governance. Humor becomes a survival tool, raising the question, does it strengthen credibility or trivialize serious issues? Mao's ability to blend with ceremony shows how politics today is as much about narrative as it is about policy. Meaning, posters were around, Mao is saying it is fake. He did not invite Anita Mao, and Anita Mao called cannot invite a thief as a chief guest. Each of these episodes begins with a caption, interprets the picture's symbolism, and expands into broader themes of leadership and governance. Together, they reveal Mao's layered communication style, puzzles for innovation, seeds for resilience, suits for ethics, and satire for survival. His posts remind us that in politics, the image often speaks as loudly as the words.